Hello students, today we discuss about the issue of share as collateral security when company taken a loan from bank and give its debentures as a collateral security, then what entry will be made in the journal of the company. So we understand by this example. The example is Gajendra Limited took a loan of rupees 5 lakh from Bank of India and put 7% debenture of rupees 6 lakh to the bank as collateral security. Give journal entries in the books of Gajendra Limited and draw balance sheet if no entry was made and entry was passed for issue of debenture as collateral security. The first point is no entry was made. Then the company made only one entry of the loan taken by bank. The entry will be passed in the journal of Gajendra Limited. First point, bank account दिया to bank loan. Rupees 5 lakh. And the balance sheet first point is equity and liability. First point. Third point, non-current liabilities. Then bank loan. The amount is 5 lakh. Total 5 lakh. Bank loan 5 lakh. Bank loan show in non-current liability in the balance sheet. And second option is assets. Second point, non-current assets. First point, non-current assets, and second, current assets. Point number D, cash and cash equivalent equivalent 5 lakh, because the 5 lakh amount is received by the company and 5 lakh rupees cash at bank. So company show in the asset side of the balance sheet rupees 5 lakh. In the total 5 lakh. Loan taken by company. No entry was made of collateral security. So bank company show the only bank loan in the balance sheet and in the journal. Second option. Entry was passed for issue of debenture as collateral security. The journal of Gajendra Limited. First entry made bank account debit rupees 5 lakh to bank loan account 5 lakh. And second entry will be passed. Debenture suspense, DEBENTURE, debenture suspense account debit to 7% debenture. %7% debenture. The narration being bank loan taken as collateral security. Note to count. These are shown the same balance sheet, and we make note to account. Company make note to account. The showing debenture suspense and debentures and bank loan. First point, equity and liability. Third, non-current liability. 7% debenture. Amount is 6 lakh less debenture suspense 6 lakh amount is nil, and bank loan rupees 5 lakh. It is complete. Look here, company's options is to first options no entry was made, then company only made single entry, bank account year to bank loan, and the balance sheet is shown equity and liability sides non-current liability, because bank loans show in non-current liability of the balance sheet. Assets, second option is assets, and cash equivalent is shown in current assets parts of the balance sheet, and we show the total of both assets and liability. The balance sheet is completed. And another option, entry was passed for issue of debenture as collateral security. So company made only two entry. First took the loan from bank account year to bank loan, and second collateral security debenture suspense account year to 7% debenture. Amount is 6 lakh. The company made the same balance sheet and a part note to account make below the balance sheet, and in this options equity and liabilities, non-current liability 7% debentures 6 lakh, less debenture suspense 6 lakh, amount 6 lakh minus 6 lakh nil, and the bank loan 5 lakh. It is completed. Okay, thanks.